the ID.
Yes.
Yes. And those containers are the overseas containers, which have no document.
They are welcome. The same process.
But it's shorter.
Yes.
This is a very, very, very wonderful day. I'm delighted that at least I'll put it on my CV, that I was there when they were signing the contract for the standard gauge railway. It's a dream come true, and I'm happy and delighted to be here as we mark this remarkable event and witness the signing of the contract, which I've waited for many years.
Can we clap for the members? A very big milestone we have been waiting for since 2015. Wow. Let us exchange a smile, please. Thank you very much. Very good. Thank you very much, Dr. Adam. Thank you very much, Mr. P.S. Waiswa.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.